doing a collaboration with David from Fish Eat Repeat, and we're hoping to get some trout in the early morning. It's been a while since I've caught a trout here now, and I really would like to get a trout. That's a mint reel you've got.
It's so nice, man. It's really small.
It is. It's almost like a 1000.
It's just like crazy.
Whoa, it's lightweight.
It's mental. Like, I won it from the E-game team from Rudy.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
So you won it at a comp?
Yeah, I didn't catch any squid.
Oh. What?
I was wearing the NBC t-shirt.
Ah.
And I was the only one that had a net.
So because you were a team supporter.
But then I did catch a squid on this gear and another E-game squid.
I mean, now's pretty much the time for the trout to feed, so I think we're in a good time to catch them. Oh! No, I just saw... I thought the smelt was getting chased and it just almost beached itself. I got that on film. It just happened right in front of me. Alright, I managed to get another of the Slinky 30-gram version, because I ended up losing one because of the bloody tangle. Really hoping this will at least bring a trout today. Oh man. Oh, for yeah. Not again. Oh. I really hope Black Magic will have more of those in stock. No, a wind knot.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. How did that go? Yeah? It is weird though to see a parrot just out of nowhere here. Well, we just saw the whole family here.
Yeah, it must be a bloody nest.
Man, that is so bright or yellow that I can see it all the way from here. Right below me. There it is. So cool. There's the other one. Not sure if anyone can see that. Oh, there it goes. The whole family's there. There's about, oh my god, there's so many of them. Wow! Oh my god, they're fighting. Oh dear. One of them's getting picked on. Oh my god! Wow! Oh no! Whoa! Whoa, they came so close! Oh my god! Wow! Oh no! You wanna be in the video? Whoa. Oh, you saw a perch? So me and David, we struggled at the Waikato River and we resorted to our insurance policy, which is Hamilton Lake.
Okay.
Yeah, but in saying that, we've actually got to see some really cool things at the river. I mean, we saw parrots fighting each other. So the setup I'm going to be using here is going to be soft bait, weightless, and I have a float at the end, and David just got a snag. Oh my god! Hey, that's your first stick fish for today?
I knew that stick was out there too.
That was a horrible cast, but that was you lost your first lure of the day. Yeah, this setup is not working out for me. I might as well just use like a regular jig head then, if that's the case. Yeah. Oh, I'm on! Oh my god, as soon as I said that. There's a good fish too. Yep. Oh no, just a small one. Look at them skull dragging that thing.
Nice, nice.
Finally. Yeah, you did. First perch landed. As soon as I was about to switch the setup, this little guy turns up. Alright. You've got a underwater footage or something? It'll be awkward, so we'll just do like a quick drop here. Alright, I'll drop him here. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Hey look, they're fishing too. Any luck?
Yeah, a couple of snags.
How many perch?
You have a YouTube channel, eh?
I do.
Yeah, I watch you all the time.
Oh, thank you.
Fish or catfish? Yeah.
How big?
0.7 pounds. That's not bad.
Yeah.
We just lost a lot of lures and that's about it.
Yeah. Have fun.
Yeah, you too. Oh.
Oh. Fish on.
You on?
Yeah. That's a good sized fish too.
GoPro start video. I only turned it off to like segment video. Oh, nice.
It's a good.
It's a solid one.
Yeah, it is.
I was thinking about. I've got a tape measure as well. Do you want me to take a photo?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Actually, well, it's for the thumbnail. Man. Look at that worm hook. Easy as that. He's quite skinny though.
Yeah.
And look how he's hooked, like, look. Here's like, the hook went here and look at that. It's like that. So it was loosely hooked, but.
Right on the shore plate.
You wanna release, should we do a underwater footage? Yeah, just keep him in the water just so that he's good. But look at those bright orange fins though. That is so beautiful.
Definitely one of the cooler looking fish.
Oh, he's gone. So much for the underwater footage. god! I just saw it eat it. Oh wow! Man, that's a chunky ass fish. Boy, you're not gonna believe how this happened. Oh man, I wish I got that on footage, but check that out. Alright, I'll let him go. Let's see how he reacts when he gets out.
You not get it on footage?
Oh, I did.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Let's see how he reacts to when he sees this again.
Oh my goodness, surely he won't.
No, he's too scared. Oh, you're on! Nice! Nice! Oh, there's a big one too! Oh my god, that's a big one right there! Oh, is that a cat?
Yeah, it's a cat, sorry. Yeah.
Oh, it's a cat! Whoa! That's an ugly looking fish.
That's an ugly looking fish. Woo! Awesome, man.
That's the first time I've seen. That's the first time I've seen a catfish.
Often.
Can you get a photo?
There's a perch there, look.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a huge one.
No, that's a big one, man.
Oh no.
That's a cat. That's a cat.
I'm gonna leave it there. Let's see what happens. Ah, he just swam away from it. I'm gonna try again. I'd like to get a photo of this.
I'll have to kill him anyway, they're bloody noxious.
So this is David's first catfish on soft bait. It's very impressive.
Absolutely gulped it, eh? It's pulled pretty hard too.
Yeah, I mean, I was surprised. I mean, look at that. Nice work, David. Whoa. Oh, crowd. Oh. It's been a tough morning, but I guess we ended it in a good way. David caught his first catfish on a soft bait, which is very impressive. I never actually seen that happening before. But yeah, make sure to check out David's Instagram and his YouTube channel as well. I hope everyone enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more fishing videos.
Sub to New Zealand fishing.
And see you guys next time.